FeiyuTech SCORP to Gimbal Stabilizer for DSLR and Mirrorless Camera. Integrated all-tracking sensor. 3-axis camera stabilizer for Sony, Canon, Panasonic, Nikon. To 0.5 kilograms payload touchscreen vertical shooting. Color black. Brand FeiyuTech. Compatible devices camera. Product dimensions to 0.79D. x 10.11W. x 10.23H. Item weight 1070 grams. Maximum weight recommendation to 5 E's plus 3 grams. Built-in all-sensor for intelligent tracking. The SCORP features an integrated all-tracking module, enabling intelligent shooting without the need to install additional accessories, making an OK gesture to enable subject tracking, while other gestures provide control over photography, video, and more, ensuring you capture every dynamic moment. Instant vertical filming setup. The quick installation system has been fully upgraded, featuring new generation L-shaped mounting plates with a new anti-off quick-release slider. The slider can be directly installed on the vertical arm of the camera body to quickly shoot vertically without the need to install additional accessories, allowing photographers to fully unleash their creative potential. Wireless cable control. Easy to use, the gimbal can connect to the camera either through a control cable or wirelessly via Bluetooth. You can trigger the focus by lightly pressing the shutter button, making it easier to control the camera for capturing photos and videos. This allows you to master the shooting rhythm and fully enjoy the fun of photography. 1.3 touchscreen and multifunctional control. Knob. The body features a 1.3-inch touchscreen, providing clear filming status and parameter settings. The multifunction knob can be used to control the precise rotation of each axis of the gimbal or directly control the electronic zoom function. Connect to the app. Unlock various functions. Connecting to the FeiyuTech SCORP app allows you to access even more professional settings, such as parameter adjustment and somatosensory remote control, which enables our mobile phone's gravity sensor to achieve the remote control of the lens direction, providing an immersive and interactive exploration experience filled with fun. Foldable aileron bracket. The fuselage comes with a foldable aileron bracket that can be set upright without the need for a tripod. Wireless control. Easy to use. The gimbal can connect to the camera either through a control cable or wirelessly via Bluetooth. Ergonomic integrated handle. The integrated handle features a gun grip design with a natural concave feel. Fits the palm of your hand for a more ergonomic and comfortable use. Connect to the app. Connecting to the FeiyuTech SCORP app allows you to access even more professional settings, such as parameter adjustment and somatosensory remote control. Time-lapse photography. Use time-lapse photography to record the passage of time, the transformation of light and shadow, and beautiful moments. 360 automatic rotation. 360 auto rotation shooting is excellent and stable. It perfectly reveals the subject's surroundings and expands the field of view. Most importantly, it gives the shot a more dynamic and three-dimensional feel. Panoramic mode. Panorama shooting mode captures a wider field of view, perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes when traveling. Somatosensory remote control. Adopting cutting-edge somatosensory technology, the lens direction is remotely controlled by smartphone gravity somatosensory